Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a return air boot. Let's get started. Alright, this is what the return air boot's going to look like since I don't have one built in the shop right now. Got the 14.5-inch opening right here. That's the other side of it. 4-inch throat going up. 10 inches on the side right there. 23.25 on the long side right there. About the same amount of tools as last time, but we add the dividers this time to add our radius to this return air boot. Alright, we'll start with one side of the cheeks. That's a nice piece of scrap right here we can do. So we got 10 inches on the one side. Got to add a 1 inch for the double half fold, so it'll be 11, then 1/4 for the other side. So 11 1/4. Alright, let's cut the length of these now. So we need 14.5 inches plus 1/4 inch plus 4 inches is 1875. 18 3/4. Get this puppy measured up. Here, put the short size here, sometimes it'll be squirrely. Just like that. Alright, let's start with one of the sides of the cheeks. Got one side that was already pre-cut, 1875 tall. I think it was 11 1/4. 10-inch side, you got to add a 1 inch on the one side for the double half fold, and the other one is going to have a 1/4 inch fold. The other side is going to be the 14.5 inches plus 1/4 for the bottom 1/4 inch fold and 4 inches for the throat on top. Let's get this measured out. We'll etch this all nice and neat out so you guys can see it afterwards. Now we're going to set our radius. Yeah, that top half, you can see that 4-inch line we made for the top throat. There's a double half going all the way down. 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch on the side. You see that radius that we cut in there, or etched in there. And we're going to put a 1/4 inch on top. Just for the top part of the 4-inch side. Set this at 3/4 so it goes deep in there. There we go. Alright, let's cut this thing out now. Alright, here's the one side of the cheek cut out. Not folded yet. What it looks like. You got the inch on top for the drive. Got your 1/4 inch fold to go into that side for the Pittsburgh. That whole side is going to have a Pittsburgh on it. And then we got their double half fold, so we can attach it to the side of that air cleaner on the side of that furnace. Alright, let's find another piece of steel like this and just trace this one out so we don't have to do that again. Alright, I found a good piece of scrap. I'm going to have this face outward so people can always see it's made in the USA. Alright, now since we got both these cut out, let's get these folded up. Got a little etch on here, we'll get it started. That 1/4 inch. Right, before we put it through the edger, we're going to put one small cross break in here. Just one straight line from edge to edge. So it looks like so. Alright, let's roll this thing through. Perfect. Alright, let's get this double half started. All the way through. Flip the other side. Just like so. Alright, while you weren't looking, I did the other side, so we got two of the sides, make sure they're opposite. So other than that, we got that 1/4 inch folded up the wrong way, so we got to bend that the different direction. There we go, I got it bent in the right direction now. All right, now we're gonna get the length of the 23¼ inch side. Usually use like a little piece of rope, or I have this little piece of speaker wire that's floating around. Go ahead, get this etched out. Go from this edge. Don't forget to add the 1 inch for your double half fold. Go to the very edge up here. Looks like we roughly got 24 5/8, so we'll be doing 25 5/8. All right, got this piece of steel laid out here. Here's the one side it's gonna be. I'm gonna make this the 2 sides, and that's where the airflow is gonna be going that way, so we won't get mixed up, because the measurements are gonna be fairly close. Since my slitter doesn't go up that high, we just have to mark this out. We got 25¼ inch. Take your scribe, set it for 1 inch. Mark this thing all the way around. The bottom's going to be getting the double half. The 2 sides are getting the Pittsburgh. And the top half's going to be the S line. And we'll mark it for the 1/2 inch so we know where to fold. Alright, now let's cut all these inch corners off until we have something that looks like this. Now we're going to run this thing through the Pittsburgh machine. Airflow that way, so we're going to Pittsburgh these 2 sides. Alright. It's always a good idea to cross break this too. This nice big fancy X. Alright, next for the roller. Always get a piece of steel, small one, fit it in the Pittsburgh. And when you roll it, it kind of opens it up as you're rolling it out. Alright, next side. We want to roll the one side with the double half is going to be. That's where the curve's going to be. Stop pop right there. Our double half on the one bottom here. We got another double half fold. We got 3 pieces here. Now we just gotta get that 4th piece, that small little guy that goes on the inside. Alright, since one side's a little bit smaller, we can use the slitter. Got it set for 5 inches. We're gonna have 4 inches on the one side, 1/2 inch down, and then we're gonna have a 1/2 inch fold up, kind of like a double half. We just attach it to the air cleaner. Got a 5-inch piece here. The other piece is gonna be 25 1/4. A couple more Pittsburghs here. Just be careful when you run smaller pieces through there, because they will get bound up and you'll have a nightmare to get this piece out. We've got a piece over here. I like to put a cross break in these also. Just like so. Alright, we got all 4 sides done. Let's bang this thing together. First off, stand up that side. Once you're ready, set this down. Let's get this electric hammer. This is my baby right here. Alright, there's the finished product. Made in USA 2019. Actually, it's 2020, but nice clean Pittsburgh. That hammer does a great job. Got a double half fold. That's how you make return air boot right there, guys. Thanks for watching.